Today we got something special that's going to take my grow game to the next level. Big shout out to US Water Systems for sending me some game-changing gear. Also, a massive thanks to our awesome sponsors. Mars Hydro. From seed to harvest, they have all the growing gear you need to get you through your grow. Don't forget at checkout you can use my promo code TAPPERETSGROWING and save yourself some money off your order. Seedsman. With top tier genetics from all over the world, they have something for everybody. Use promo code TRG10 and save yourself some money and help support the channel. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, let's crack open this bad boy and see what we're working with. Boxes inside of boxes. Alright, so we got everything out of the box. I'm still learning the part names. I still haven't memorized them yet. So I'm still trying to figure that out. So hopefully I get them right as I'm naming them off. So here we have the 200 Aero 5100 NF. So this is a nanofiltration system designed to reduce contaminants like heavy metals and organic compounds while keeping beneficial minerals. Perfect for clean, balanced water for the plants. So this is where all the filters go in. These come off, and the filters here, these end up screwing on. There's a specific order that they have to be in, because we got different ones. This one's green, that one was red, this one's white. So once we get this installed, we'll get those on, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Next, we have the reverse osmosis membrane. And this is crucial for removing up to 99% of dissolved solids, chlorine, and other impurities. It ensures we're giving the plants the purest water possible. And this membrane, you unscrew this part here, if you can see that, and this goes in here. And of course we got all our tubing with it, all different colors. In the instructions it tells you what color goes to what piece of equipment, so it makes it pretty simple to actually install it. So we'll find out. We'll see how easy it is once I start installing it. And of course the black tubing. We got the instruction booklet, of course, and we got a TDS meter, we got some Teflon tape, and we get our connectors. Which are all supposed to be easy connect. All you do is you put the tube in and it connects it right just like that. I guess there's an O-ring inside that helps seal it. So yeah, we're gonna try them out. We're gonna see how they work. They even give you a little tool to cut the tubing with. And then of course we get the tool to take these off, because I guess they snap in. So you do this and you twist it whichever way if you gotta take it off or if you gotta put it on. And of course, we got our 14-gallon pressurized tank. So this is obviously where I'm going to store all my water, and then from there, it'll go to the plants. All right, so we're going to go get this installed. I'm going to bring everything over and we'll get everything set up, and we'll get right into the installation. And that's it. Everything's installed and the system is running smoothly. As you can see in the video, I had my brother come over and help me. It was very kind of him to come help me. I appreciate it. It helped me out a lot because there was a couple of spots where I wasn't too sure what to do. Alright, so this is how it hooks up. As you can see, it's pretty tight in here. You can see where that orange hose goes to, and that's going to the cold water input that comes into the house. That's going up into the sink. So we connect it to that. It comes back to the filtration system. From there it goes through all the filters, goes through the membrane, comes out here. And then from the RO filter, you see the blue cable, and that's where we end up getting our water out to fill our buckets or whatever it is we're going to be doing. Like I said, we got into a couple of tight spots, but we figured it out and we got it installed anyways. Big shout out again to US Water Systems for sending me this awesome gear. Huge thanks to Mars Hydro and Seasman for their continued support. If you're serious about your grow, investing in quality water filtration is the way to go. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, comment below, and subscribe for more grow updates. Stay lifted, keep your plants happy. Peace.